What's up, my nerdy chicks? Hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to Nerdy Nails. We are doing another product review today, and OneDaySaving has been very kindly sent me a couple of nail goodies to review since they have recently opened a new nail art section to their website. So let's have a look at some of the goodies they sent me. So we've got a stamping kit, we've got a magnetic cat eye, and we've got a pack of nail art decals. So let's have a look at all of these products. First one we're going to have a look at is the nail art decals. So we've got quite a lot of decals here. I'm actually surprised on how many decals have come in this pack. There are just so many in this pack. So let's take a closer look at some of the decals we've got in this pack. So we've got some really nice pink, yellow, purple flowers here. We've got some more flowers, some pink and yellow ones here. We've got a exotic mix of different colour feathers. We've got some cool butterfly tattoo inspired decal art here. And we've also got some more flowers on the next one. But I really like the style of these ones. These ones look quite cool. We've got some more butterfly decals, and we've also got some more flower ones. I really like the purple and blue mixed together for that one. And we've got some more different style flower ones here. We've got a mixture of bow and heart tattoos, some more different exotic butterflies, some more flowers but look like a heart, and there's just crazy amount of different ones we have here. We've got lots of different types of decals here with flowers. There are many ones which they are all quite nice. These are, if you really like flower decals, then this is a really nice pack for you guys. Same thing with butterflies. There's quite a lot of butterflies in this pack as well, and there's a few with some bows which are really cute. But yeah, there's just so many in this pack. It's crazy. When I was just going through them, I was thinking, wow, I've got loads in this little pack with decals, which for the value they're selling these ones at the moment, they're roughly just over £4. And in the world for buying decals, I don't think that's actually too bad, to be honest, because I've paid a lot more for very little. So you're definitely getting your money's worth for the amount of decals you're getting in this pack. Also, one of these decals have got some Disney princesses on, which I think is really cute. Same with one of them has got some Barbie stuff on as well. So there's some really cute decals in this pack, and I think the value for what you pay for how many decals you get is actually pretty good for how many. I'm just surprised on how many I've got, and this is going to keep me going for a long time when I want to create nail art with some decals. And we're just going to quickly test out just to make sure they work fine and they transfer okay onto your nails. And also just show you guys how to use water decals, since they can be a bit fiddly if you've never used them before. But it's very much treating them like how you would treat if you were going to put a temporary tattoo on yourself as well. So you just want to cut the design you want, and you want to remove the plastic cling film that's on top just to protect the design. If you think the design is too big, then get some scissors to trim it down a little bit. And I always find with decals that it's always worth just slightly bending it, just so it fits on the nail a lot more easier. And then you just want to get a sponge dipped into some water, and you just want to dab the sponge on top of the decal and just wait for the paper to get wet, and then you slowly just want to push the paper away, and the paper should remove quite nicely from the decal, leaving the flower nicely on our nail. And to be honest guys, I'm really impressed for how this design turned out. It turned out much better than I thought it was going to turn out, so I am really impressed with these decals so far, and I definitely want to try this design on my actual nails because I think this design looks really cool and it is really sweet. So our next item is a magnetic cat eye. This is a really nice one. I really like the purple handle, but let's quickly test it out just to make sure it does work. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. We have a lovely cat eye in the middle of this nail design, and just moving it around, you can see it has worked perfectly. So this is a lovely magnetic cat eye. And our final item is a clear stamping kit. And overall, this stamping kit looks completely fine. The stamper is nice and squidgy. The scraper is a little bit warped, but it should still work completely fine on nail plates. A little side fact here, OneDaySaving was going to send me some nail plates, as they do sell nail plates on their website, but they sold out, so I wasn't able to test them, which makes me so sad, as I was hoping to test out the plates as well. But I've got another plate here which I just want to test out the stamper just to make sure it is working completely fine, and same thing with the scraper, even though it is slightly warped. But as you can see here, it doesn't matter that it's warped, as it still worked completely fine. The which has transferred nicely onto our stamper, and it looks really good. And with it being a clear stamper, it makes stamping a lot more easier, as you can see where to place the design onto your nail, so you always get your image perfectly stamped on your nail. So clear stampers are always the way to go for stamping, especially in this day and age. Stamping has really advanced so much since when I started. But I also want to test one more nail art design with this stamper, as I always find if you can get stampers to pick up line designs, then you've got a pretty good stamper here. And this plate's got a spider web on, so I'm just going to see how well it picks up a smaller line nail art design. And as you can see here, it has picked it up completely fine. We've got our detailed spider web on the stamper, and it is also stamping completely fine onto your nail here as well. So overall, this is a perfectly fine stamping kit right here. And overall, all these products have been really good, and I think for the value, they're actually not too bad in what you can pay in the nail art world. All these products together built up to £10, so I don't think that's too overly expensive in the nail art world. And overall, I'm really impressed. So if you do want to check out OneDaySaving and buy some nail products, all of the product links are in the link below. And OneDaySaving has decided to give my lovely viewers a 5% discount code. So if you use my code nerdy05 off, you will get 5% off your order, which I think is really nice. And thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me over some products to test out and review. They've all worked completely fine, and they have been great nail art products, so I do highly recommend them. But that's everything for today's review video. If you have enjoyed today's video, then please leave it a like. If there's anything you want to see on this channel or anything else you want me to review, let me know in the comments down below. And just remember, guys, keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and I will see you in the next nail art video. Bye!